quick stop, guys. Echuca. We are in Echuca at the moment, and we are going for something to eat. Do you want to go toilet? Oh, there's a toilet. We were looking for that before. They're closed. So that is the Echuca Park. So it has changed a lot. Is it last time this none of this? This way, Zach. We're in Echuca, guys. Bridge Hotel. It's a cafe, Daddy. There's no shops in here. The shops are over the other side. See, there's toilets there. There. Oh, the blacksmith there.
Oh, look, window.
The horse is there.
Where?
Up there in the front. Wine.
Where's the horse? Right there. Oh. Can I pet it?
Look at that horse. Look at you.
There's pretty toilets here.
Huh? Now looks like, see here in the side. Zach, move. You have to pay for that, Dee. Whoa. Yeah, my ice cream. Look at this. Monster. Oh, there it is. That's how much you pay. Look at this log buggy.
That's not interesting.
Huh?
That's put in your pocket.
Why? Whoa. Chocolates. Candles. Look at that. Big lolly. What? Look at this. See, drinking can cause memory loss. Nothing, Daddy? The pork pie. Whoa. It's Christmas.
That's perfect.
Ooh. How does it move? Ooh, a mermaid. I like that.
No, we're not riding. You don't pay a lot of money when you ride that. 20 pesos, dollars each. Whoa. Cool. That was so cool.
It is not one. If it was, we would be like that. If you go down there and go in there. Will that even go? Mom,
Of course.
we can go there, but we don't have enough out. It's
No, we
locked
went to the Emelu.
there.
The Emelu there.
They're not empty. They're not empty. They're not. They're not.
Wow, this is a massive tree. A slipper tree.
This is over here.
The thong tree.
Floppy.
Have fish and chips, guys. We're just here at Echuca, guys. We're buying fish and chips for lunch. Let's eat, guys. Fish and chips. Look at that. That is a fly. We're gonna go for a ride on that one, guys. So we're just here waiting, guys, for the horse to come back.
So you can ride on it
Why is it so bright?
for 10 minutes.
This doesn't sound right. Here comes our ride.
Don't move, Zach.
Well, oh, you go,
Have you got
Pe.
a poor horse?
Here.
Yeah, mate.
Hello.
You like the horse?
Yes.
We're on the way back.
You go.
Family.
Yeah.
Oh, good. Guys, this is our ride. Hello, Pat. Horse.
Yours.
All right, guys, let's go up. The kids are already up there. So, my turn to climb up. Guys, we are on top of the world. We are on top of the horse carriage. The horse is just there in the front. Hold on, boy. You have to climb that ladder before. Okay.
fun. Is it the same
We're
seriousness
moving.
as your pony?
We're
this
moving,
fun?
guys.
This is fun. Woo!
Zach, stay sitting. Hold.
How did it go?
What's it in?
How is it not scary to you? I don't know. This movie is
Zach even more scary, huh? We are on top of the carriage. Of a horse carriage. Oh my god.
I'm not even halfway over there. Look at that.
Uy. Stop.
What did you do? Just let go. It's not the same. Oh, God.
Oh my gosh.
It's the horse. Maybe it's too much weight for Dad. No.
Zach, hang on, Zach.
Hold on, Zach. Hold on. It's running. Wouldn't that hurt the horse foot?
It's actually running. Slower than a car. 1, 2.
I'm recording all this.
Oh,
Huh?
I'm
recording all
starting by the silver one. There's
recording
5 cars. There's 5 cars behind us.
Look at the dogs. Zach, move. Middle.
Where's the dog?
Oh my god.
So cute. This is even scarier than that horse. No, I mean less scary. Sort
He's
of.
running. The car's following us. Oh my god. Riding a horse.
Look what Daddy, look. Really bouncy. I know.
Oh my god.
I need to put my mask on.
Doesn't matter.
It's easy.
Zach, put it up.
You feel it?
Oh my god.
It's like the dancing.
Uh,
The dancing. Hey, the Mortal Kombat.
He's running. Oh my god.
Yeah, I'm taking. You take the side, I'm taking it.
That was quick.
Yeah, because it's...
Look at that. Hey.
Oh, look at the view.
You get it. Oh, look at that picture. Stop filming.
Oh,
Look
that's,
at that picture.
that's a little bit bad. That's probably
Look at the
2012
picture.
model.
Look
Huh?
at
Oh yeah.
Quite an old foot.
Look at
2012.
Echuca.
And dress it all up.
Oh
Stars,
yeah. Yeah.
roof.
the connection to the
It's an old boat there, guys.
Allison. That's a barge. Barge Allison.
Barge.
Yeah, for transporting probably grain.
Well, they put it on the shadow, right?
Yeah, to protect it. Probably 100 years old.
You should have put a varnish on it.
No.
a wood boat. That's dangerous.
Hmm?
Wooden
There's a
boat.
Murray River down there. We're scared.
I
You
don't
do
know.
something else, don't you? You
It's like a slippery pan.
just do something else to the water.
Can you?
Yeah.
I didn't even know that.
Huh?
I didn't even know that.
I didn't know what other said. Still don't know. Hey. Ooh.
This is 10.
Mm.
Yeah. That's nice. So mention.
We're
Okay,
here.
Oh, the boy just echoed.
We've stopped, guys. Now it's time to hop down.
Beautiful.
Have fun? Bye, horse. That was good.
Why does it look like the mother?
Ano mother?
The one we
Ice cream time, guys. That's it, guys. Serious?
Yeah.
Cheers!
Mm. Right?
Do you know what? They should put the color of the bubble gum in that color.
Oh, yes.
Yeah?
The pink.
Last time I had the macadamia. You know what the best? Guys, tignan natin tong Down Under Dani sa Tonggala. So that's why they called Down Under Dani, guys, kasi toilet to siya, guys, na nakabaliktad. Ayan siya, oh. Pero wala talaga yung toilet sa loob. Nakabaliktad lang. See, at saka yung mga tractor, nakabaliktad din. Yung tank, nakabaliktad. Pati yung chair, baliktad. We're home, guys! And that was a very good day, spent whole day out. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoy and joining the fun with us today. And see you again on my next one. Please don't forget to subscribe. Bye! See ya. Take care, everybody. Mwah. Bye-bye.